Hey, this is Tom. Yeah, I got some quick information for you. I ran across this a few minutes ago. I was on the Sea Crane website to see what other radios they have available, and I found this frequency list for English language on shortwave. It's generated by Glenn, who does a lot of posting on the internet of information like this. This one was updated to 2025. And down here, it has a listing of all the shortwave stations broadcasting in English and their frequencies. It's pretty extensive. People say there's nothing left on shortwave. Well, that's not true. There's a lot less available on shortwave, but there's still plenty out there. Like I just saw it a minute ago, Radio Romania. Look at all the frequencies it broadcast on. And another one I like, oh, I can't find it now. And these are broadcast in English. So you might want to check that out. I'll put the link to this webpage down in the first comment on this particular video. And well, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I'd sure appreciate it. Oh, the other thing is I've been watching the stats on my YouTube channel. A lot of people have not clicked on the bell to get automatic notifications of my most recent videos being posted on YouTube. You might want to try that. Maybe it's too annoying. Whatever. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.